dropping me a peanut? You dropped a peanut on me?
She's being funny.
What you doing, Razzle? What you doing, Razzle?
Let the invasion begin.
Oh. They're so cute.
Was that Ross?
That's funny.
You know, half the time your website won't load, did you know? Your website doesn't load. When I pull it up, it says the server cannot be found.
Really?
Yeah, because I've been looking. I went on there looking for pictures.
Are you doing it on your computer?
I've tried like 3 different browsers.
Today?
Not today. Yes, I tried yesterday. And I
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's not good.
no, it's really not.
I haven't looked to see, so I don't know. Let me go see what, if I'm having any problems. Chess,
Ma'am?
you're in charge of the effects.
Nope.
Your head is upside down.
Sometimes when we do that, Tiki squeaks. Sometimes when we do that, when we whistle, he'll squeak really, really loud. Really high pitched. Pretty birds.
Don't leave.
You just hanging out, Razzle? Are you just hanging out? Well, go down there with her, Tiki. Go down and see her buddy. Yeah.
Okay, Jay, you got 2 of them now. That's good. The older one really needs some tugs.
Nature's treating me. Oh, you got some poop in your
Oh.
inside there.
No, Amy, it's a 3-stage process to get the light things off your clean. They do it every Saturday.
They're so cute. I love it.
Most every
They're
Friday.
such flowers.
They are. Most every week I take it apart. But not always. I think I'll just let it go. What do you need? Oh, you want to go?
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, don't be sorry.
You're so funny. What are you doing up
I'm
there?
in the way.
How big a blanket do you want? How big a blanket do you want?
I was just gonna put a small ring right here, half ring. Anti-backup.
Except you can touch his tail. I'll sit there if you're gonna get out. I hope you sit there. We just take turns. It's very calming to do this.
It really is. I'm just having such a good time.
Therapeutic.
And they're just so love. They just love
And sometimes if I start doing this, I'll forget to take pictures. This is why I don't pull birds. I get distracted like, when you first realize I need pictures.
nature.
Oh. That's how you
Oh,
yeah.
Oh.
That gesture.
Oh yeah, look at that. You gonna fight?
Oh, why is that bird on his head? Oh, yes.
Hey.
Look, he says he.
He's like, hey, excuse me,
Can you see the bird down his
what are you up to?
What are you up
Oh.
It didn't matter, Tiki. Am I not filming you enough? Trying to get video of your asshole. Because I know what you're going to want when you get home. I know. Oh. Who is that?
I know, it's probably that being on a perch that's keeping him from being as animated as last week. We can put him back down.
Oh my goodness.
Goodness.